In this video, I'll detail how to find someone else's iPhone when it is lost. So, if you have a friend or any of your family members whose iPhone is lost and you want to find it, then this video is going to walk you through the steps you need to take to find any lost iPhone on another iPhone. So, let's say this is my iPhone and you have another iPhone that is misplaced or stolen at gunpoint. Then you want to track the iPhone location. Then this video is going to walk you through simply the best approach you can take to find the lost phone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to find someone else's iPhone when it is lost, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone, click on Find My. Then on the Find My, click on Me at the bottom right. Now once you selected that, I want to scroll up on the Me page. Then scroll down to the bottom and you should see Happy Friend. Then click on Happy Friend. Now once you click on Happy Friend, this is going to open a browser on your iPhone. Now, and on the browser, you'll be taken to iCloud. Then click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you need to sign to the iPhone account you want to find. Then do not click on Sign In. Click on Use a different account. Then once you tap Use a different account, you'll be prompted to sign in with your friend's iCloud account. Then go ahead and sign in with a friend's iCloud account. Just type in the email. Now, once you typed in the Gmail or the email address to your iCloud account, click on this pointed arrow to confirm the email. Then, if the email is confirmed, go ahead and type in your iCloud password. Then here, I'm just going to go ahead type in the iCloud password for my friend's iPhone iCloud account. Now, once you typed in the password, just go ahead and click on this arrow. Now, this is going to sign you into your friend's iCloud account. Now, you should see all devices here. There you see your device. Your location is not found. Just click on the device like this. Then what you want to do here on this device is you can either erase the device, notify when found. Just come here, tap erase device, or notify when found. However, if the iPhone is found on the map, then you should see where the device is found. You see this? Now, since the phone is lost or is stolen at gunpoint, just go ahead and click on Mark as lost. Then you should see Lost mode lock this iPhone and allow you to leave a number and message for the finder. Then go ahead and click on next. Then phone number, just go ahead and type in your phone number. Then the message is optional. Then click on activate. Then once you click on activate, this is going to mark the iPhone as lost, and the person that stole the iPhone or took the iPhone will not be able to use it again. Then once lost mode is activated, you can now go ahead and play sound. So if I go ahead and play sound on this my iPhone now, it's going to play sound on the iPhone. If it is nearby, then this is the iPhone. So, once you can find the iPhone, just go ahead and stop the sound. And once you stop the sound, then this is going to mark the iPhone as seen. And here, you can now come back to mark as lost and then disable it if it is not disabled. So, that is basically how to find someone else's iPhone when it is lost. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.